I know y'all not blowing y'all horn at me. But I'm trying to take my COVID test.
We're going to find out if you have to be good to this little girl,
Yeah,
okay?
he gonna be good.
When it comes to 3-month-old Deasia, Bobby, you are the father.
What is up, you guys? It's your girl, Imani, coming back with the what? Coming back with the who? Coming back with
another one.
You already know. So today, I'm bringing y'all with me on a little mini vlog because I have to go take a COVID test. Oh God, let's go. And I'm bringing you guys along with me. I don't know if any of you guys have had to take a COVID test. Comment down below. It's my first time. I really did not have COVID. I just did this shit because I didn't want to go to school. Turns out I end up not being able to go to school and work, which is completely fine with me. But yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know. And let's go.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all. So I'm here at the Walgreens. I'm in the pharmacy line. I brought Titus for emotional support. Come say hey, Titus. Titus. I brought Titus for emotional support. I'm really scared because it says you have to self-administer, which means I have to fucking stick that shit up my nose myself. But I'm like second in line. So y'all just pray for me. I already know I don't have COVID, but just pray for me, man. Just pray for me. I will be back when like I actually finna get ready to take it.
Eventually.
Y'all. So this is the COVID test. Let me sanitize my hands, even though I just washed them. Okay, y'all. Here we fucking go. She said I had to swab each nostril 5 times. Like, how far up do I go? I know y'all not blowing y'all horn at me. But I'm trying to take my COVID test. It's some boogers on it. It's some boogers on it. Do I put it back in here in this little slide or just put it in the bag? This. Okay. It wasn't that bad. People was telling me y'all was gonna shove it up my nose. It wasn't that bad. I did stick it up a little far though. Do you need this back or this is for me? Oh, it actually wasn't that bad, y'all. My nose kind of hurt. The next week? In the week? Dang, I thought it was the rapid one. They told me that it would by the end of the day, but they'll email me by the end of the week. Oh, end of the day. Okay. Thank you so much. You be safe. Ooh. Y'all, I had that motherfucker in reverse. Okay, first of all, it wasn't that bad. People be exaggerating. I did shove it up my nose a little far. You know, had a little boogers on it, all that and all that. But, y'all, I took my little COVID hit. My nose hurt. She says that I will be hearing back from them by the end of the day, which is totally fine because I was not trying to go to work today nor school. But now that is off the list, I am child. I am on my way back home. I gotta clean my room. I gotta hang up my clothes that I bought from Pretty Little Things, and edit this vlog and edit and upload it for you guys so y'all can see me. But without further ado, thank you guys for watching. If you are a new subscriber, hey girly, hey boo. My name is Imani. I love Starbucks and I like to smoke all the time. If you're not gang, you already know what that is. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what kind of video suggestions you guys want me to do. And that is all. Also, I have my lock vlog coming for you guys. That will be coming Sunday per our regular schedule. This vlog right here will be coming today. Like, I'm gonna upload that today. Y'all, these are my locks right now. Quick little update. It's almost been a week. They are still mini twists, yes. But they're locking very well. Some of them are already locking, so that is wonderful. But like I said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay blessed, stay black, stay whatever race you are. Hopefully y'all. But I will see you guys in the next video. Be safe. Happy Black Monday. Happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Have a great evening, morning, nighttime, wherever you guys are. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Later that same evening.
You guys, I just checked my email and I got my results back.
One pathetic sob story later.